Okay, so now that we have disassembled the binoculars and I've cleaned all the lenses and prisms inside, all the glass basically, make sure they're all clean. I reassembled it, and everything is working. It's bright, so the project was a success. And let me just explain that. Unfortunately, I did all that. So I did about 30 minutes worth of work. And by the way, try not to skip, like take dinner or get dinner or take a break between those 30 minutes, because you may forget where all these screws are. So try to go through it all in one shot of 30 minutes. Make sure you have all the tools that you need, etc. Small screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips is all you need, really. Most of these binoculars are pretty simple. And yeah, so anyway, I just want to explain what materials, because I didn't have it on the video, how I clean those lenses. So basically, to clean those lenses, I take a alcohol. This is a alcohol wipe, so it has alcohol, 70% alcohol on it. So I use many of these, and I rub it on the lens or the prism itself. Once I'm done with that, I take very soft tissue, but soft tissue is going to leave a lot of lint. Once I do that, I just blow it. Usually I just blow it with my mouth, and then I take this lintless, I don't know what material this is. I think this is microfiber. This is the kind of cloth that you get when you buy glasses, optics, lenses, and things like that. They give you this very, very soft cloth that is perfect for optics. So this is what I use to get rid of the lint, and then I blow it some more, just using my mouth. If you have an air compressor or you have one of those can duster, you can use that. I also use Q-tips on the edges when I can't reach. I use Q-tips to make sure I can reach those areas. And again, Q-tips will leave lint, so make sure that you blow them off using your mouth or duster. Make sure you don't leave the lint before you close the prisms or enclosures and things like that, because you're going to regret it, and then you're going to have to open the binoculars again, and you're going to be kicking yourself. So that's it. This was a great success. Definitely worth the 30 minutes to save this from going into the trash bin, and now I can use it again, hopefully for another 15 years. I think this is about 15 years old right now, so there's nothing wrong about this binoculars. 30 years from now, I don't think there's going to be any technology that will change. It will still be the same, so might as well just repair it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, I know this was extremely long, but I hope that it saves some binoculars from being thrown away, because there's nothing wrong with these optics. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my videos. I make useful videos such as this all the time, and if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notified. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.